What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Nique here, and I'm back with another home update. But first, before we get into this home update, I want to say thank you to everybody who has been showing me so much love and support. I really appreciate it. Y'all don't even understand how much it means to me. So thank you once again to all the new supporters here. Thank you for liking and subscribing. I appreciate it. I have my 2 braids in. Y'all probably don't care anyway. I just got done handling business, working, and we also had a meeting today with the site manager. Basically, I'll just insert the clip of that right now. They have like some cement right here. Let's see if it's wet. Oh, it's hard. In the garage down. This is the inside of the garage that they're working on right now. Looks like they've been working on stuff in here. This will be the entrance through the garage, as you can see. You have the stairs there. This will be like the kitchen area, family room. I see they have like the fireplace and stuff. They getting to work. But let's walk this way. I don't want to fall. Y'all know my leg's still messed up, so I don't know what's good inside of there or not. But they got a coffee cup right there. Somebody been drinking some coffee. Okay, it's all good. Look, they got a door still right there. No porch yet.
One telephone. You could switch out the cable that's cable, so it's up to you.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Okay, so there's definitely gonna be a TV in here. So
a lot of people do it either because you got plug over there, you got plug over there, so either side.
It'll be here.
Back over there.
Yeah.
You just want it back over here?
Well, yeah. Yep, because the TV is sit right here, yep.
Okay, or do you want it closer to that plug?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, put it right here?
Yeah, because the TV gonna be right there.
You got one more cable. It's probably gonna go in the master.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we can do multiple cable boxes, but they just showing us exactly where it's gonna be. I'm confused.
Yeah, a lot of people do so like your DVR usually has to be like hardwired, but then you can do like wireless ones into the other bedrooms.
Okay.
Like that,
So this would be a bedroom.
The master. Yeah, a lot of people do it on this wall back over here, or I've seen it on that wall too, just depending on how.
Yeah. So this is the master.
The master back.
This is. Okay. So yeah, like you said, right here sounds good. Yeah. They already got the little tub in.
Yeah, next week we'll meet for pre-drywall. This will all be nice and clean, and yeah, electricians are finishing up, and then yeah, we'll be insulated and rolling on drywall soon.
Cool. Little tub over here too. So when do you think that everything will be all done? Like an estimate.
When we do the pre-drywall, I'll give you a pretty good estimate from there.
Okay.
So we'll run out the schedule, the rest of everything there. Give you a pretty good estimate.
Okay, cool. That is what is going on up to date, August the 31st. We have another meeting with the site manager coming up. It's sometime next week. Actually, September the 8th, we'll be meeting with him again. He was really nice, actually. He's gonna get more into depth of what is to come next. I know that the drywall is supposed to be going. Oh my gosh, what the freak is these cars doing? I'm trying to. Is that my exit? That better not be my exit. That ain't my exit. Ooh, why y'all breaking? Oh. Anyway, like I was saying, we have another meeting with him September the 8th. So he'll give us more up to date of what's going on as far as what's next. So right now I'm in the car on the way to go get my lashes done. That's all I really got planned for today, honestly, because we had the meeting with him today. So I didn't really want to plan too much else after that, but I definitely wanted to keep y'all updated on what's going on with the house, because I gotta keep my promises.
Tired of you broken promises.
Ain't no more broken promises. Too much. All right. I'm thinking the house gonna be done like November time, so hopefully November, you know, we could probably do Thanksgiving at my cribbo. or we'll probably just do Christmas there more than likely. Now, why would you get in front of me and go slow? I mean, what sense did that make? I need to go up to a couple of furniture places. See, that's what I need to be doing. I got like 2 tables actually, and I think a couch. Yeah, I haven't really decided on the bedroom set yet, for the simple fact that I may even change the tables. I was just really excited when I went to the store and I pretty much picked anything as always. I kind of want to do every room a different type of scene, but I still want it to like all come together as one. I don't know. I can't stand when a car rides the same speed as me. Like, what do you want to say to me? Do I know you or something from somewhere? Is my camera blurry? I'm probably gonna have these 2 braids for like the next 3 days, then I'm probably gonna change my whole hairstyle and get probably a bob or something. I don't know. That's the crazy thing about being a black girl. Like, you gotta plan your hairstyles like before you even get rid of the first hairstyle. Like, dang, that's so irritating. Oh, I need to get over. This is good. This is good for me. Yes. Favor, won't he do it? Favor, won't he do it? All right, let's go to the eyelash place. Enough talking. Lashes on. We got our lashes done, sis. I used to go to that place a long time ago, but I stopped going. Don't know why, but I think I'm gonna start going back there because it was only $30. All right, take the mask off. Mask off. Gotta represent. Y'all. I don't know if it's just me, but when I get in the car, I'll get in the car so fast, lock the door. They snatching people out here. Don't let me be out at night. Oh, I'm running full speed, jumping in the car head first, locking the door with my big toe. I'm not playing. I'm in the car. All right, y'all, so that pretty much wraps up this home update vlog. The next time we'll be meeting with the site manager will be September the 8th. I'll be hitting y'all up with another video, another update on that, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I really appreciate it. You know I do, boo. So I'm gonna see you in the next home update vlog. Bye. Mwah.